welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing this video for you guys. It's been a long time in the making. So today I have Catalina. I just want to do a close-up on the hairline for you guys so you can see what I mean by the hairline is just bomb. It's really beautiful. If you like this wig, then you definitely need to keep watching because I'm about to drop some knowledge. Like, yes. And I really think my method of doing my wigs is really beginner friendly. And not only that, but there's like not that many steps. The thing that I really love about this wig is that it's a side part, so you don't have to worry about parting it yourself. The part is there for you. And I really like the fact that it's not a really narrow part, but it's not like super wide like the Red Sea. Like, it's just that perfect part that looks natural, and it's a deep part, so it looks like, you know, your real hair, and it just makes it look so much more natural. But yeah, it's Catalina. I will leave down below the company that I ordered her from. I don't want to say the wrong company, so yeah, I'm probably gonna put that in the description box below. The company that I ordered from, the order date, the ship date, and if I can, the ship date, and then when I received it. Yeah. And so I got her in a color number 2 because that's the color that I always get. I don't like 1B. It's too dark for me. Color number 2 is just like that perfect natural color, at least for me. I like it. So let's get into the specs of the wig. As you guys saw in the previous clips, it comes with an adjustable strap in the back. It comes with little combs in the back and on the sides here. One here and one here. And then it also comes with an elastic band that's already been sewn into the wig, so you don't have to do that work either. It's really a beginner friendly wig. It's really that was a tongue twister. It's really a beginner friendly wig. I would say it's big head friendly for people with larger head sizes. First off, I am a synthetic wig wearer. Why? Because I hate doing hair. I hate doing anything that is time consuming. I just don't like things that require a lot of effort and a lot of money, because this is trying to pay for a wedding. Then on top of that, you just don't want to break the bank on trying to look good. Like, I really believe you can be bougie and bad on a budget, and maybe I'll do a thing like, you know, where I do like a segment on like bougie on a budget or baddie on a budget. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But if you want to see that, also comment down below. So with human hair, you have to not only style it, but you have to, you know, lay it. You gotta lay your edges. You gotta apply the wig. You gotta style it. You gotta blow dry it. You gotta wash it and all that stuff. Like, I don't want to do that because it's not even my real hair, so I don't want to do that. So I prefer synthetic hair because it's just easier for me to manage, and when you're kind of done, you're done. I don't like things that are just time consuming. Like, when it comes to hair, nails, my nails, they're kiss nails, because I hate going to the shop. I hate sitting down in places for a really long time. Like, if it ain't church and it ain't the Lord, I don't want to wait. So with that being said, I like synthetic wigs. I'm the queen of synthetic wigs. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to be wearing a synthetic wig. My battery is about to die, so I'm going to just get right into the pros. Pro number 1 is I love how much lace they give you initially, you know, from ear to ear. I love the parting space. Oh, I wrote this down on my phone, so I'm going to read it. They give you a pre-plucked hairline, so you can you don't really have to do anything to the hairline. Like, it looks really natural to me. Also, it's easy to style. I mean, it already comes in the style. You got your side part and you got the little curls, and then I like to just zhuzh it, and ooh, yes, let me just brush that a little bit. But while I'm doing that, I'll continue to talk. I love that they give you the elastic band in the wig. It's I think it just adds that extra security to it. It does not shed. Brushing it and going through it, I'm not getting any shedding or tangling. Eventually it will start to shed because it's so long. The longer the hair, normally it's gonna shed or tangle over time. And the only con I have to say is that The lace is very ashy, and like if you don't tint it or don't use like foundation or powder, it's very ashy. So you definitely have to go in and tint this wig. You definitely have to apply some type of powder to get it to hide the knots for one, and then just to get that really good perfect melt. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about the wig. Like, I absolutely love it. This is definitely now a staple for me. I will be ordering this again. Like I said, if you want to see me wear it in another color, let me know. We've got a few different colors to choose from. I said I want to do that dark chocolate truffle. The chocolate truffle, I want to try that. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Let me also show you the length of this hair. I'm 5'6", and it comes like right under my boobs. So I would say maybe like 22, 24, because I'm a little bit taller. So I'm gonna say like 24, maybe even 26. Just know that it is long, but it's gorgeous. And you know, I don't sleep in them or anything like that. Like, once I'm done for the day, I take it off. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you're notified right away and you can tune in. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you.